Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Knorr Hollandaise sauce. Begin by whisking the Knorr sachet with 120 ml warm water until smooth, then slowly add 100 g melted butter while whisking constantly. Keep heat low to avoid scrambling the yolks and use a whisk or immersion blender for a glossy finish. Taste and season with lemon juice, salt, or a pinch of cayenne for brightness and balance. Measure everything before you start to maintain control while whisking. Melt butter gently and keep it warm so it incorporates smoothly into the mix. Whisk the Knorr powder into 120 ml warm water until there are no lumps before adding butter. Use a low simmer and remove from heat if the sauce thickens too fast, then return briefly while whisking to reach desired thickness and shine. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers that stack neatly and prevent drips when transporting hollandaise or extras. They save time and keep your fridge tidy, which makes leftover sauce reheating a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your sauce separates, don't panic. Move the bowl to a warm water bath and whisk steadily to re-emulsify. For grainy texture, strain the sauce through a fine sieve to remove solids. Keep the sauce warm but not hot by placing the bowl over warm water, not direct heat. For storage, hold it a short time in a thermos or warm spot, then re-whisk gently before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.